You've given two problems to answer here, both dealing with energy conservation and non-conservative forces and conservative forces. So let's look at the first question here. You have a box going down an incline on rollers. The rollers, there's static friction there, but it does not work on the box. That's why they show it like that. So we don't have to worry about frictional force doing work. But between what I mark C and B, there is kinetic friction. So there will be work being done here. So we'll take each interval one at a time. And problems like this, we have change in height. You always want to mark your gravitational potential energy 0. So I made it the ground. Our goal in this problem is to find the distance it travels along the horizontal till it's at rest. So let's look at the different intervals.